Whoa, what up, what's up? You already know the drill. First things first, man, y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. Turn your notifications on so you can know when I drop another video. Now today we're going to take a look at the Air Max 1 Swiper. Welcome to the app. Okay, so looking at the box, you see we have the orange box. Got the large Nike logo across the top. On the side, you got the Nike logo. Nike logos all around, man. Y'all already familiar with this. Here's the tag. You got the Nike Air Max 1 Premium. Now these retail for, what is it? I think 140 bucks if I'm not mistaken. But enough of that, man. Here it is, the Nike Air Max 1 Swiper. Now these are some shoes for Sacramento Kings guard De'Aaron Fox. I think they're a nice little flavor. They more like on that what the style. You know what I'm saying? I'm not a fan of the whole what the thing. You know what I'm saying? With two different shoes. That ain't my thing, you know what I'm saying? But to each his own, man. I ain't tripping out for that, man. But I feel like this is a dope shoe. I'm feeling it. So let's go ahead and take a look around the shoe, man, and see what it is, man. Y'all make sure y'all stay tuned too, man. We're gonna try to give y'all a nice little on foot, man. And y'all stay tuned for that. Now looking at the outsole, you see you got the all black outsole. There's a look from the side. See you got like the royal blue mud guard. See you got Swipa on the back. Here's the medial side. See you got the pink swoosh. There's the front. You see the blue and orange going on the toe box. It's the top of the toe box. There's the tongue. You see the number 5, which is his number. Okay? Now they got this thick black suede on the side, man. I don't know if it's good suede or not, you know, but it feels good. Now looking at the other shoe, you see you have like I don't want to say a burgundy, like a burgundy orange. Anyway, let's look at the tongue. There's the medial side. See the pink swoosh again. There's the back with the Swipa on the back. All in all, man, I think it's a dope little shoe, man. I'm feeling it. You know what I'm saying? So let me know what y'all think about these, man. Now here's a look at the insole. Now, this is the right foot. You see you have like the geometrics on the insole. It's a nice little touch. You know what I'm saying? So, I mean, it is what it is, man. I'm feeling it, bro. I think it's a good thing, man, that they're starting to do little collabos with NBA players and stuff, you know, because whether or not y'all believe it or not, pretty much NBA players and rappers, that's pretty much who set all the trends now, you know what I'm saying? So I think that's a nice little look for Nike to tap into that section of the shoe game, you know what I'm saying? And it is what it is, though, man. Let me know what y'all think about these, man. Are you a fan of like the what the style shoes or whatever? Because I'm not. You know, I like both of my shoes to match, man. I don't like to look like, you know, but to each his own, man. Let me know what y'all think about them, man. There's a closer look at that old thick black suede. There's that, I don't know what you call it, on the toe box. See, you got the blue and you got the orangish, burgundy-ish, brownish mud guard. You see the swoosh on that one. On the medial side is pink. Got the same thing going on the other foot. So, I mean, I know I'm late with the video. I see a lot of people put videos up, you know what I'm saying? So I just wanted to get my little content out to y'all, man, because I've been gone for a minute, man. I've been just having too many things to do, man, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna try to get back on track today, man. I'm gonna drop a few videos, you know what I'm saying? And hopefully y'all enjoy it, man. Now I got my people here, man. We're gonna do an on foot. We're gonna do an extensive on foot, you know what I mean? So hopefully y'all like it, man. So that was my look at the Air Max 1 Swiper by De'Aaron Fox. Follow us on Instagram at PetlersAv504. Subscribe to this channel. Share a video. let's go ahead and get into this on foot, and I'm going to holler back.